Hello everyone, hello you beautiful people. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can use GPT-4 image input for visual input in Bing AI. Yes, so that's beautiful in of itself, because now we can zoom in, add image, click there, and here you have three options: features, advances, professional, adding images. So if for some reason you can't really visualize what's going on in that image and in the description for that image, Bing AI is here from here. It's here to serve you, it's here to help you, it's here to hand you a hand. Yes. So ask me anything. Go to Bing AI chat. Bing AI. Bing AI. I like to zoom in. Looks cool. Look. You. So now click on here. Click on upload from this device. Here, select this. Not this image. Whatever image you want. And now we can ask chat. Bing AI. Can you please describe this image for me to be used? What's going on with this suggestions? Where's suggestion? To be used, to be used, to be used, to be used. Okay, I'll stop. Describe this. Can you please describe this image for me? Please. Help. All right. Analyzing this image. Privacy blur hides faces from being chat. All right, so if you faces, this will blur. This image you send is a tutorial on Loomis method for drawing faces. This image is divided into three sections, each with a different image. It is true, is kind of true. The first section shows a photo of a woman with her face blurred. It's not blurred. What you mean blurred? Where is this blurred? The second one shows us a photo of. Okay, I'm not gonna read the entire world, but that's the end of the story, guys. I really hope you found this helpful. You can also like and dislike, you can copy, you can export, you can share with your favorite person. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.